On to the show. Cuban sandwich. We need some history of Cuban sandwich. Invented in Tampa Bay. When they used to have cigar factories there, early 1900s, people from all over the world were living there, and they wanted a lunch that could keep everybody happy. So they took Cuban bread, Italian salami, German pickles and cheese, and Cuban pork, put it all in one sandwich to keep everybody happy. Since then, it's been a staple, and salami is traditionally only in the Tampa Bay version. And since it's our football show, that's what I'm doing. We don't have Cuban bread. We're in the middle of the prairies. But we do have French bread. You probably see it all the time. What to do with it. Should be all around America. Maybe in America you got nice Cuban bread.
Maybe it's the same thing.
It could be exactly the same thing. From my research, it was the closest. And it looks pretty cool. So this is a pretty easy recipe, but I'm going to take you through it. Step number 1, let's slice this bad boy. Perfect cut. Now, there is a very particular way you're supposed to lay this all down. We're not going to follow it, I don't think. Actually, this is a good tip. First, we're going to go with our cheese because you want that on the outer edges to melt. Serrated knives.
Look at that knife. See, those muscles you're talking about looking so good right there. Ripping that plastic.
The tattoos, that'll be another show.
I'm not sure exactly what that was.
Well, I can't show it all at once. Okay, look at this beauty. Swiss cheese. Put it on this side too. Now, I'm going to go with what I really want to melt into this cheese the most, which is this beautiful pork that Corey did on the smoker.
Pulled pork, baby.
Traditional would be called mojo pork. I'm not even going to pretend I've ever had that before because I haven't. That's what they make in Cuba, apparently. All right, I think we're just going to spread this kind of thin. You want it even for all three of these. Trust me, this can be a lot better than those lumberjack sandwiches. You seen those?
That's the 7-Eleven.
Yeah, a bunch of cold, mushy tomatoes on some soggy bread. Salami.
That's the salami?
Genoa salami, German salami, any one of those, like a nice dry salami like that. Spend a bit more dollars on your sliced meats, people. Just don't be eating bologna.
What's wrong with bologna?
It's terrible
I
stuff.
like bologna.
Yeah.
Fried bologna? Have you ever? We're gonna do a show.
No.
Smoked bologna.
Stick with the class over here, folks. No, actually, I bet you Corey could make that taste good.
We're gonna get some bung bologna. That's the good kind.
Anything on your smoker, like right now, I'm thinking about that lobster. The lobster mac and cheese is smoking right now as we speak. And it looks amazing.
Uh-oh. Oh, we have a problem. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh, we have a little cat and dog battle going on.
Yeah, they were fighting it a second ago. I don't know if you guys caught that on the video.
Cheese Ball is not backing down. Yeah, my cat's name is Cheesy. You gotta get it.
And we already met Jade. Cheeseballs is coming looking for her lunch. Jade just loves everybody. She wants to play. Cheeseballs like piss on you, you damn dog.
All right. That's awesome. I have some extra pork here that I'm going to throw on. And why am I doing two sides when I'm going to smash it together? It's just faster. That's how easy the Cuban sandwich is. I think that's enough layers. And honestly, I would buy more cheese next time for this one. It is supposed to be a pretty hearty dish.
It's a big sandwich.
That's a big sandwich. Now, what makes it special? Because right now you're like, well, yeah, dude, you just made a big sandwich. All right. Well, that's just part one. For part two, we got to wrap this. I'm not going to crinkle the microphone up like crazy. We're going to wrap this baby up, take her out to the flat top. And that's where we'll make this a Cuban sandwich. 300 pounds. Yeah, it's just bread, you say. You don't need that much weight. Sure you do. Or you could use a George Foreman grill.
Set it and forget it, baby.
So obviously what we're doing, what makes the Cuban is pressing it down. You could use a brick wrapped with tin foil. We're basically just melting together everything inside. Get my grill father. Okay, here we are, folks. It's been about, what do you say, 5 minutes?
Close.
I had a 20-pound weight on there. If you have a cast iron pan, put it on there. Throw one of your kids down on there, make them hold it. Whatever you do, it's bread. Smash it, compress it. A little crispy.
That's nice.
That's through the tin foil too. So you imagine if that wasn't on the tin foil, that would have just been burnt to crisp. All right, sizzling smokers, we're back. Time to plate it up. Now, as you can see, there is a little bit of burn on this one. I should have sprayed the tin foil. Cooking 101. Spray your tin foil so it doesn't stick. I didn't. It happens. This is real cooking. But look at this sandwich. That does look like a Cuban sandwich. That's amazingly pressed. Oof. The pickles, the layers. Cook this one for your family, seriously.